Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Salva Dilatri Ardas. I am from 1CD3 Telecommunication Engineering. Well, I will explain about the material describing process. For describing a process of doing something or preparing or manufacturing a thing, one has to give a description of the series of actions done one after another until the desired result is good. Important tips for describing a process. For describing a process, the description might be impersonal, and this can be done better in the passive voice. For describing a process, the description might also be given with the help of a series of imperative sentences. In both cases, some cohesive or sentence linkers need to be used to indicate the order of the step taken in the process. Before starting the process description, I should begin with an introductory sentence like the making of preparation of has to go through a series of steps before the product can be obtained. Words for describing a process. First, once, action 1, action 2, having action 1. The next step is action 2. Next, then finally. First and finally are used to be describe the first and last steps in the process. The authors can be used in any order. When describing how something is done, we can use one of three different formats. 1. Imperative format. For simple description of a process, often used in giving instruction, we use to imperative, but another way, we are simply telling others what to do. This format is generally informal and designed for simplicity. Main use: instruction in product manuals, office memories. Example: remove the outer wrapper. Make sure there is paper in the tray. Where would you expect to see the above? Example and what is their contact? 2. Modal format. For more detailed or personalized description of process, we use the modal format, which very simple means we use modal form verbs such as must, should, and may. This format is very effective in connecting the relative importance of each step. 3. Passive format. We use the passive voice when describing process in more formal documents, usually of a professional or academic nature. Very often, the modal and passive styles are combined. The conclusion that can be drawn from the material describing process is that it explains the process that you want to make in accordance with the rules for using the word. When describing how something is done, can use of three different formats: imperative, modal, and passive. That's all material about describing process. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.